Is your kid glued to the tablet again and you feel guilty just watching? What if I told you, it's probably not as bad as you think, and it might even help both your child and you? As moms, we all hear it, screens rot your child's brain, no more than 1 hour a day. And it's easy to feel guilty the second your child picks up a tablet. But the truth is, screen time isn't the villain. If used thoughtfully, it can expand your child's knowledge, give you a much-needed break, cause far less eye strain than we often fear. Let's break it down. 1. The myth about eye damage. Many parents worry that screens will ruin their kids' eyes. Here's what research says: the real culprit for eye problems isn't screens, it's lack of outdoor time. Kids who spend most of their day indoors have a higher risk of nearsightedness. Taking short outdoor breaks, even just 20 to 30 minutes, protects their eyes far more than limiting screen use. So, screens are not the enemy, lack of sunlight and playtime outdoors is. 2. Educational content can be valuable. Not all screen time is equal. Carefully selected videos, apps, and interactive content can teach letters, numbers, and science concepts, introduce new cultures and languages, spark curiosity and creativity. Think of it as guided learning through screens. Instead of feeling guilty, moms can curate a playlist of high-quality content, watch together occasionally, and discuss. Encourage kids to ask questions or try related offline activities. 3. Screen time gives moms a break. Here's the practical truth: screen time is also a parenting survival tool. It gives you a few minutes of quiet to make lunch, take a shower, check emails, or just breathe. Feeling guilty doesn't help anyone, so calm, rested mom is better for the child than an anxious one. It's not laziness. It's smart time management. 4. How to make screen time healthy. Balance, not elimination. Combine outdoor play, reading, and screen activities. Pick quality content, educational, age-appropriate, engaging. Set natural boundaries. Instead of strict clocks, use routines: screen after snack, screen before bed. Co-view when possible. Even 5 to 10 minutes of watching together can enhance learning. Encourage offline follow-ups, drawing, experiments, imaginative play inspired by videos. 5. Changing perspective on screen time. Screen time isn't a threat, it's a tool. It's not about perfect parenting, it's about using tools wisely. Children are resilient, and a few hours of well-chosen videos won't harm them. Remember, the goal isn't zero screen time, it's balanced, meaningful use. So next time your child grabs the tablet, take a deep breath. Let them explore educational content, give yourself a few minutes to recharge, and trust that, with outdoor play and balance, your child's eyes and brain are just fine. Parenting isn't about perfection, it's about making life smoother for both you and your child. If you want more practical parenting tips that reduce stress without guilt, hit subscribe. Your calm, confident parenting journey starts here. Yellow heart.